Hey people, so as of today, I just see our hairstyles also match. No, as of today, I just finished reading Mejda. This is a book that has been written by the brother of Sri Paramahamsa Yogananda ji. And Sri Paramahamsa Yogananda has written this book, The Autobiography of a Yogi. So, reading this book gives you a very little known insight into how it was for Sri Paramahamsa ji to grow up amid a family of with they were eight siblings in all, eight four brothers and four sisters, and they lost their mother when their youngest brother was 10 months old, so and Sri Paramahamsa ji was around, I think so, probably 12 at that point, and he is Mejda. So Mejda is the name given to the middle brother, so he had an elder brother, Ananta, then a sister, yeah, then two sisters, then he was the fourth child of his parents. And so really people, this book Mejda is very, it'll take you back in time, like as if how Bengal of that time was, like the author is the brother. He lived from 18 no no from yeah 1898 to 1979 is when he passed away, and this book was pretty much released in the year he passed away. I mean, just before his death. So do try and read it, people. It's called Mejda, and it will give you an insight into Sri Paramahamsa Yogananda ji's life. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. As always, I'm very particular not to exceed more than 1 minute, because these days the attention span is so low. So I can hardly explain a 346 page book in less than 3 minutes. But this is an attempt to speak about books that everybody should read. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.